Looking for a fresh take on Chime Bank in 2025? Here's an honest review to help you decide if it's right for you. Chime continues to be one of the most popular fee-free online banks out there. No monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance requirements, making it a top choice for people tired of traditional banking fees. Its standout feature, Get Paid Early, still lets you access your paycheck up to 2 days in advance, which is a huge plus for budgeting and avoiding payday loans. The SpotMe Overdraft feature remains popular, allowing eligible users to overdraft up to $200 on debit card purchases without fees. Great for emergencies. Chime's app is easy to use with real-time transaction alerts and simply money management tools. Although some users wish for more advanced features like savings goals or investment options directly in the app, customer service has improved, but still mainly relies on in-app chat and phone support during business hours, so no 24/7 help yet. Keep in mind, Chime is still an online-only bank with no physical branches, which might not suit everyone. Overall, Chime remains a solid choice in 2025 for those wanting a straightforward, low-cost banking experience focused on digital convenience. If you found this review helpful, like, subscribe, and share your Chime experience in the comments.